Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. I'm going to try out Bartoline White Spirit. Basically, I've got a bit on my shoes there, and I've got a tiny bit on my jeans, so I'm going to see how effective it is at getting this stuff off. This is the 750 mils made in England. I normally get the 2.5 litres. Is it 1.5 litres? That's right. But anyway, so I've just popped a bit on there, and that's coming off. No problem. Just a little bit on that. Dab that off. It's coming off nice, that. Yep. Just keep dabbing it. And I'm also going to be, it's better. Normally I don't, this is undercoat by the way, so it's oil based anyway, so it's difficult to get off, so I'm going to try a bit on here now. So, yeah, this is coming off. That one's come off alright, so I'm just going to use this. What I'm using as well as I'm using it in a combination of this, which is these stuff. A bit of Bartoline, and I've put some of that Bartoline White Spirit on this. So, let's see if it gets it off. Coming off alright. Yeah. There's nothing worse, is there? You get paint on stuff. I mean, all I was doing was undercoating that. Yeah. Sometimes you'll go all day, won't you, with paint and hardly get a drop on you. Then you'll go and do some quick touching in, and you're just dropping that all over the place. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's come off. So that's completely taken all the paint off those. Really good product, made in good old Yorkshire. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.